top focus that we are getting right now. All controversial remarks by Rahul Gandhi made yesterday, remember, have been expunged from the parliamentary records. Remember, he started off with insulting Sanatan Dharma that has sparked a massive furor and drawn criticism from across the board. And in fact, the Prime Minister will also be replying in the Lok Sabha today, and it will be interesting to see what happens today. All right, my colleague Harsha joins us live on the broadcast for more. Harsha, now from the statements on Sanatan Dharma to Agniveer and the personal attacks on Prime Minister Narendra Modi, they all have been expunged from the record.
Yes, Rakshita, there are almost 5 to 6 statements in the entire speech of Rahul Gandhi which has been expunged from the Lok Sabha, and the statements were the grave allegations, and without even the fact check. Yesterday we saw how Rahul Gandhi spoke about the Agniveer scheme, where he stated that this is not a scheme of the army, but this is a scheme of a PMO. This statement of Rahul Gandhi has been fact checked. In fact, we saw the aggression in the entire Lok Sabha, where the ruling party leaders like Rajnath Singh schooled Rahul Gandhi by clearly stating that this is a massive grave allegation, and also there has been no fact check by Rahul Gandhi. This statement has been expunged. Also, Rahul Gandhi spoke about commented on the industrialist Adani and Ambani. That statement has been expunged. Also, Rahul Gandhi made grave allegations on the minorities of the country. That statement has been expunged, and also he spoke about the quota that the NEET, while speaking on the NEET row, where he stated that the entire quota is now centralized, and now NEET exam is for the rich people. And these remarks were really shameless, as Rahul Gandhi was speaking and attacking the government and busting at the government on several issues. Almost 6 statements of Rahul Gandhi in the entire speech has been expunged after BJP complained to the Speaker of the Lok Sabha, Om Birla. They gave a written complaint against Rahul Gandhi that these are the grave allegations, and in the light of that, Rahul Gandhi is trying to mislead the entire country and the young generation. This entire speech part should be expunged. Almost 30 minutes of Rahul Gandhi's speech has been expunged, along with Mallikarjun Kharge's few speech parts as well. And today is a very important day because both ruling party and the opposition's massive showdown will be witnessed in the parliament in both the houses, Lok Sabha and Raj Sabha. To tell you precisely that there is an NDA meeting at 9:30 a.m. where Prime Minister Narendra Modi will speak to all the NDA ally party, where he is going to tell everyone that the remaining time of the NDA, where they have to respond on the President's Thanksgiving motion. In that reply, everyone has to give a befitting response to the entire opposition by attacking and by showing the reality of the opposition, that how they are anti-Sanatani, how they are anti-Hindutva, after Rahul Gandhi made a grave and serious remarks on the Hindu, by insulting the entire Hindu Samaj, by stating that Hindus are violent. In fact, Rahul Gandhi went on by saying that Prime Minister and Amit Shah and BJP leaders are not Hindu. Today, Prime Minister Narendra Modi will also be replying in Lok Sabha at around 4 o'clock, where Prime Minister will be highlighting on all the issues and the atrocities, and the atrocities done by the Congress government in their era, from the emergency to how Hindus were continuously attacked. And now under NDA rule, how this entire system has changed. Now country is looking towards the vibrant future. So today is a very important day in Parliament. Today is the second last day of this session. Tomorrow the Parliament will conclude, but today all eyes are on the NDA meeting. This is the first time when Prime Minister after election will be face to face interacting and addressing the NDA parties in the Parliament premises, in the PLB, in the Balayogi auditorium, where the TDP, JDU and the other ally party of the NDA will be interacting with Prime Minister Narendra Modi. To tell you that few of the TDP leader and JDU are still to respond on the President's Thanksgiving motion, and they will also be giving the befitting response to Rahul Gandhi's speech, with Rahul Gandhi maiden speech in LOP, as in LOP yesterday in the Lok Sabha. Back to you.
Absolutely, Harsha. That was my colleague Harsha giving us the details on that NDA parliamentary meet. Remember, that is scheduled for today. This will be the Prime Minister's first address in his third term to the NDA. And of course, it will be on the motion of thanks to the President Murmu's address. Thank you so much, Harsha, for joining us with all those updates. We'll keep coming back to you for more as in the run-up to Prime Minister's address, speech in the Parliament. And in fact, viewers, we will continue with more news coming in. Remember, viewers, there have been multiple reactions coming in on Rahul Gandhi's controversial statements yesterday in the Lok Sabha. And let's take a listen into some of them. In fact, as we've already talked about the NDA parliamentary meeting. Harsha, I'll ask you again, just tell us more details about this NDA parliamentary meeting, please. Of course, it's on the motion of thanks to the Prime Minister's address. Tell us more details on that. Of course. So viewers, remember today, of course, is going to be an interesting day, and shortly we'll see the Prime Minister convening this parliamentary meeting, this NDA parliamentary meeting. Discussion will be on the motion of thanks to President's address, and all BJP and allies MPs have been notified to attend this meeting. This, of course, comes amid the Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha discussions.